and welcome back to the Oven Cook. And what I'm going to do today is a video that I see that had nearly 21 million views in 1 month. And I'll show you this video. Well, I'm not going to show you the video, I'm going to copy the video and you make up your own mind how you get 21 million views in 1 month. So all I've got here is eggs, tomato, little pepper, paprika, pepper and salt. So all I'm going to do is slice up the tomatoes. So we've got these sliced up. So what I'm going to do is get the pan on, olive oil, add tomatoes in, throw these little bits in as well. Might as well. Salt. Pepper. While the tomatoes are doing, you're going to get the eggs. Salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, and we just mix these up. Pour our eggs in. Cover that, let it cook. So that was it. Tell me how. Yeah, good luck. 21 million views, but I still can't believe it. You make your own mind up. And I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.